This is room 9092 at Port Orleans Riverside. This is a princess room. So this room has a lot of really fun details, and it's awesome as a special event room. So when you walk in, here's the front door. The AC units are a little loud here, but they are at most moderate. So if AC noise bothers you, maybe ask for a quieter room. But really, it didn't bother us at all. And I gotta say, the AC works really, really well. The room stayed cold last night and it was warm. So you have these really fun, regal colored curtains here. And again, this is Tiana's room. So everything is going to be a gold blue theme, like the movies. So here you have a picture of the bayou on the headboards. And then you have Tiana's crest up there on the top of the headboard. And then you have a hook detail over here when you first walk in on your left-hand side. And there's Cinderella's carriage. There's lots of really fun little details like that in this room, and I really, really love it. And then here you have the princes. So you have Prince Adam, Aladdin, Eric, and Charming. And then look, even on the lights, you have a Mickey Mouse decal, like, or a shape, hey Mickey. So these rooms are super cool. And then on this one you have Eugene, which is Flynn Rider from Rapunzel. And then you have Prince Naveen, Prince Philip, and the Prince. And then on the table, you have a special note from Princess Tiana. And it says, "Welcome all. We are so excited to have you stay with us. My friends and I have shared many wonderful moments here that this has become a very special place in our hearts. As you make yourself at home, you'll discover some treasured memories my friends have given me over the years. Enjoy making magical memories with your friends and family in my royal guest room. Your friend, Prince Tiana." That's so sweet. I love these rooms. These are so cool. Chunky was very excited. And then here you have Tiana. And this is cool because this looks pretty 3D and like she's popping out. So Caitlin really liked this portrait. And by the bed, sorry, these beds are kind of close to the wall, so I have to move. You have Ariel, Cinderella, Rapunzel. Move over a little bit more. And then you've got Belle, Aurora, Snow White, and you have Jasmine. So, and then if you look at the ceiling detail, I'm so short, there's no way you guys can see this. I don't want to hop up on a chair, but let me see if I can get a better look. Even the detail strip on the wall, you have ridiculous amounts of detail in this. So there's the lamp, there's Genie, there's Jock and Gus, there's Chip, there's Fauna, Flora, and Merryweather. Like, there's just so much detail in this room that it's kind of amazing. And then when you come into the bathroom, you have a new decal strip. And then this one up here has, it has Pascal on it. And then you've got Ray from Princess and the Frog. And you've got Scuttle, and you've got Sebastian. It's just really cool. Like, the details in this room are amazing. And then for the faucets, you have Genie's lamp. Let me get a better view of that. You got Genie's lamp, which is really, really cool. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna keep saying really, really cool. Like, this room is amazing. I love it. And then the bathroom's a little tiny here, but the shower curtain is dingle hoppers and snarf flats. I don't know. Yeah, snarf flats. So, I mean, really, all the little fun details in this room are awesome for a little kid. You could just spend a bunch of time just running around having them look at everything. And then, of course, there's carpet. So these rooms are a little bit more. I think they're about $30 more a night. But seriously, guys, if you can swing it, do it. Especially if you're going on a birthday trip. All right, here's the room. One quick walkthrough. Not to mention Riverside is just a super cool hotel. It's beautiful out here. We love it. It's an awesome resort. The cast members are amazing, and everyone was in a really good mood this morning when we went to go get breakfast, so we cannot recommend this place highly enough. Thanks for watching. Bye.